Allyson, the day is finally here. I'm so happy to finally be able to share this day with you, my love. We have traveled a lot so far, but that we both know that this is home. You're the gem for the family and are an amazing wife. I'm so happy that I get to share this life with you. I cannot wait to see you in your dress today, my love. This is going to be the most amazing day.
Jess. Almost a year of marriage and the day has finally came. As a little girl, I never imagined meeting a man and immediately falling in love. But hey, that's what happens when you meet some guy.
I'm so glad that God decided to place you in my life. You're the only one who can deal with me and whatever this crazy journey holds. You're my whole world and my best friend. I love you and cherish you forever. You make me the happiest man in the world. I love you.
On a blind date, beat him in cornhole, have your first dance and first kiss, all in one night. I also didn't think I would get married and move around the country all within a year of meeting him. But those blue eyes got me. And here we are. I could not have imagined a more amazing life.
Forever and always, Jesse.
Although we have been married for almost a year, I can't wait to meet you at the altar again. I love you so much. P.S. You make one amazing husband. Love, your wife.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for a price. In the end, what I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Though I fought with my balls and teeth, though I elbowed my way
Just
to
enough
the
without being
sea,
super over the
Dad, are you already?
there be no kind of peace like you beside. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home.
baby.
Love you.
I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Nothing's as it seems in the photo. Nothing is as sweet going solo.
You look hot.
You look so good right now.
No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. Oh, I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Good afternoon. I want to welcome you to the wedding ceremony of Jesse Strickland and Allyson Gentry. Who gives this woman to be married today?
Her mother.
Do you, Jesse, take Allyson to be your wife?
I do. I said it.
Just to clarify, he said I do. Do you, Allyson, take Jesse to be your husband?
I do.
And what God hath joined together today, let no man tear apart. Jesse, you may now kiss your bride. First time, Mr. and Mrs. Jesse Strickland.